So friggin' I put the oil pan back on. Look at that shit. Fucking squeezed out. It's all done, it's all back on. Put the plug back on. Welded it back on. Let me let this son of a bitch first. Hang on. So, kinda frazzled my fucking bushing, but who cares? I'll just use this one. So yeah, kinda tweaking now if you go too fast. Yeah, it's not gonna look pretty, but you know what I forgot to do? Ah, fuck it. It just stays on there. Other than that, I don't fucking care. As long as that son of a bitch stays on, so I like that. This one needs to come off. Hang on there. Let me do this. One fucking hand. So I didn't get the chance to fucking record it because I was in a hurry to fucking put it on. So wanted to use that oil pan, but fuck. I think it looked nice. So yep, that's my update. I guess you could fucking call it, but if you can't really see me on the fucking camera, it's because I'm pointing it down. Son of a bitch, look at that cloud. So when I get a chance to do that pan, I'll record it. For right now, she's gonna stay on there, and I gotta get a new oil filter still. So that's where that fucking oil keeps coming from. It's from that stupid thing. Damn it. That right there, you can see it right next to the oil filter. That right there is gonna be my oil pressure gauge. The oil fill pump still works. It's just gonna stay there for now. So yeah, till next time. I don't know. I'll fucking find something to record, I guess. So I'll talk to you all later.